Hi everyone, this is part 3 of the Destash, or part 2. So to continue with lot 8. So these will be individual colors. So the first thing, we have Daniel Smith water colors. So the thing is that I squeezed them and I didn't use them. I think it's like over a year now, and you can refer to my video. Maybe I can link it in the end if you're interested, if you want to see when I squeeze these colors. Okay, the thing here, okay, I'm not sure if, of course they would react in a different way, or they set in a different way because of the Arabic gums inside and so many things, because I read about it when I see how everyone every color is set in a different way. Okay, so these all the colors we're talking about. How many colors? Let me check my phone. Where's my phone? Sorry, but you can have look to all these. I think they are 97 colors. Yeah, the thing is, I'm not sure if there is, colors jump like this and went somewhere else, so maybe you can compare the swatch online, and I will include this. I bought this color chart. This one has 238 colors, just like this piece. It's like dot for $28, I don't know, something like this. I will add, because this is metallic and I don't have these color, I have like a true colors. So this is an amazing deal. It's $215. Everything will be free shipping. I remember these cases, I just paid $40 for these cases, 20 each. Okay, so this is 215, and remember, a little bit goes along the way. So this is lot 8, Daniel Smith watercolor. We have this brand, I don't know what you pronounce it, Colico, I don't know. Also, I think I used the blue color, that's it. 18. This is lot 2. 3, we have the white or Petersburg or White Nights colors. So we have all these color, I think 37 or 36 color, full pan. Let me zoom in so you can see, because I used it. This is very high quality colors. This is maybe the color that I used most, and the blue, cobalt blue, and this is anyway the swatch for all the colors. Okay, so this is lot 3, White Night watercolors. And see, I have a lot. Last thing, this will be Inktense 72 colors. This is a watercolor pencils. They are, I don't recall using them, but there is here one is missing, unfortunately. And this one seems used, the yellow one, and maybe the orange one, and this one also. Okay, and this is lot 4. Last thing, I have the last lot, but still I'm not sure if I'm going to sell it or not. But if anyone is interested, email me. I would like to sell the Distress Oxide inks. I have the full collection, brand new, no missing colors. I didn't use them, I only swatched them. But now I really like the look of Distress inks, even though it's hard to blend. Yeah, so if anyone interested has an offer for all the colors, email me. Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate you buying and helping me deciding my stuff. Thank you very much, and see you next time.